Okay, come on. Here. No, that's not very nice. Now I'm gonna have to put you in your cage. Hey, no, that's not very nice, mister. That's not good behavior. Now let me pick you up and put you in a cage. Somebody's a little cranky this morning. That's not nice. Not nice to growl because you're tired. Shut your mouth. No, that's not nice. Now, bad behavior. Now, that's bad behavior. That's not very nice. You don't growl. You gotta go in your cage. Oh, now. No bite. Now, no bite. That's not very nice. I'm gonna tell Daddy. That's not very nice. Now you have to get up. Go in your cage. No. Now you're gonna get up for real. Stop biting. Come on. You're crabby. What's the matter? Why are you so mean today, huh? Are you tired? Huh? Are you tired? Huh? But you have to go in your cage because I got to run some errands. No. Oh, Mr. Cranky Pants. You're Mr. Cranky Pants. Shame on you. Shame on you. All right, come on. No, now you're no bite. No bite. No. No bite. Come on. Well, you're just going to have to get up and growl. Come on, you got to go in your cage.